Hey guys, in this video let's learn how to make this beautiful tower box, or it is also called as a stepper box card. And I'll mention all the materials I have used in the description box, so let's get started. First, I'm taking a paper of measurements 32.4 centimeters into 16 centimeters. Next, I'm scoring a line of 8.1 centimeters, 8.1 centimeters, 8.1 centimeters and 8.1 centimeters. So basically I'm dividing the paper into 4 equal parts. Next, I'm going above these lines with my embossing tool. And now I'm going to make folds like this with the help of my scale. So this is how it should look like. Next, I'm cutting 4 pieces of pattern paper of measurement 15.5 into 7.6 centimeters respectively. Then I'm going to paste the pattern paper onto the black paper like this. Next, I'm flipping to the other side and I'm marking a line of 4 centimeters in the second section. Then I'm marking a line of 8 centimeters in the third section. And I'm marking a line of 12 centimeters in the fourth section. Next, I'm taking a paper of measurements 16 centimeters into 16 centimeters. Then I'm scoring a line of 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 4 centimeters. And I'm turning around this side and marking 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Now I'll just make folds along this line. Next, I'm going to make a cut on this line. Then I'll turn the paper and cut this line, this line and this line. Now I'm just making cuts like this to create the flaps. And once I'm done, I'm going to apply glue and paste it like this. And I'm going to repeat the process and paste the other flaps as well. And at this point, it should look something like this. Next, I'm going to cut 3 strips of pattern paper of measurements 7.5 into 3.5 meters each. And I'm going to paste them on 3 of the edges like this. Now I'm going to repeat this process and create 3 more of these. Next, I'm taking the paper which I had cut previously and I'm going to apply some glue on this box on the side which we had not stuck the pattern paper. And I'm going to paste it here right at the bottom of the first column. Next, I'm taking the second box and I'm going to paste it in the second column. So I'm pasting it above the line which I had marked. Similarly, I'm going to paste the other 2 boxes above these lines which I had marked. So at this point, I should have something like this. Next, I'm going to cover all the black paper with some pattern paper. So for the first column, I'm taking pattern paper of measurements 11.5 into 7.6 centimeters. And for the second column, I'm taking 2 pattern papers of measurements 7.5 into 7.6 centimeters and 3.5 into 7.6 centimeters. For the third column, I am taking 2 pattern papers of measurement 3.5 into 7.6 centimeters and 7.5 into 7.6 centimeters. And for the fourth column, I am taking a pattern paper of measurement 11.5 into 7.6 centimeters. Next, I am going to create the top lid. For that, I am taking a paper of measurement 16.3 centimeters into 16.3 centimeters. And I am going to score a line of 4 centimeters . 8.3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Next, I am going to rotate the paper and again score 4 centimeters, 8.3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Next, I am going to fold along these lines . And make cuts like these. And then I'm going to create the flaps by cutting the edges like these. And I'm going to paste it with some glue. Next, I'm cutting some pattern paper of measurement 8 into 8 centimeters. And I'm pasting it here. Then I'm taking 4 pieces of pattern paper of measurement 7.8 into 3.5 centimeters each. And I'm going to paste it on all 4 sides. Now I'm adding some elements to decorate. This is totally optional and you can use whatever you have for the decoration purpose. Here I am using some quilling flowers which I already had. And here my stem box card is ready. If this area slightly opens up and you don't like it, you can use a ribbon to tie it in. And if you have watched the video until here, I'm sure you liked it. So do hit the like button and the subscribe button and see you in the next video. Bye.